Baguio City is the city of pines. Pero just a few minutes away, sa Luacan, Itogon, may bagong lugar na perfect for nature lovers, families, and chill adventurers. Welcome to Mount Camisong Forest Park, the newest eco-forest park in the Cordilleras.
Good afternoon po. Welcome po dito sa Mount Camisong, sir.
Hindi ito hiking spot. Dati, bundok lang. Pero ngayon, isa na siyang developed forest park designed to preserve nature while letting people enjoy it. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mararamdaman mo agad yung lamig ng hangin at amoy ng pine trees. Ang linis, tahimik, at parang ibang mundo ka na.
Sasakay tayo dyan kaso magbibigay na electric sila bro.
Ganda nga. Solid.
Sasakay na tayo.
The park officially opened in February 2025.
Bali yung alapak po namin, sir, is dito po sa number 3. And doon po is we have the glass walkway, yung main attraction na laging pinupuntahan po dito.
Okay.
And also, yung isa rin po pinupuntahan ng aming guest dito is dito po sa may Samyo. So sa Samyo po is we have the three-walk bridge po na may habang 50 meters. And yun po yung laging fini-feature po sa Facebook and TikTok.
Part of Itogon's ecotourism program. Ang goal nila, to protect the forest while giving everyone a chance to experience it responsibly. Hindi mo kailangan mag-hike dito. Meron silang paved forest trails na perfect for a light walk or forest bathing. Every step feels relaxing, parang hinahaplos ng kalikasan yung isip mo. What's amazing is, 70% ng mga puno rito ay natural. Hindi nila pinutol, instead, inayos lang yung pathways around them. Kaya kahit developed, authentic pa rin ang forest feel.
So ini-encourage nila na pagpababa, maglakad. Although meron silang mga electric cars, pero yun ini-encourage nila is maglakad muna para masulit yung view. Ang ganda kasi ng view rito, sobra. Tapos pagkapaakyat naman, pagpabalik ka doon sa pinaka-entrance, that's the time na pwede ka mag-electric car na.
One of the highlights here, the Alapap Glass Walkway. Imagine walking above the clouds at more than 20 meters high, surrounded by pine trees and mountain fog.
So ito yung glass bridge nila. At Alapa viewing deck. So meron tambayan dito. Ayan, pwede kang tumambay dyan. Tapos dito may mga tambayan din. Ayan. Ayan. Then dito.
Glass view. Glass view.
Dito boys. Dito po so guys.
Naku, dito natin matitesting ang kapangyarihan ni Ikos. Kus.
Ay, hindi. May bakal naman pala saan.
Ayan yung glass view. Tapos tingin ka sa baba. Tingin ka sa baba. Oh, tapak na. Brave na brave. Brave na si Ikos.
The glass is bulletproof, multi-layered, and safe for up to 50 people. Kaya don't worry, you're literally walking on clouds, not danger. Sakto ang punta namin alas 5 ng hapon, naabutan namin ang sunset. After exploring, pwedeng magpahinga at kumain sa Marahuyo Cafe, the park's signature restaurant. Dito mo matitikman ang mga local dishes with a twist. Pero dahil busog pa kami, nag-coffee lang kami. Dalawa lang ang pagpipilian na coffee pero okay siya at masarap. And the best part, you're drinking coffee surrounded by trees and mountain views. Pure Baguio serenity.
Ang loob ng ano, lamig. Masarap pala yung mainit eh.
Grabe, ganda rito. Kung gusto mo na nature trip, yung entrance fee nila is 500 pesos. Then, sulit na yun. Tapos meron mga restaurant din. Then, meron ding coffee shop dito sa loob. Tapos, malawak yung area. Sulit, maganda.
What makes Mount Camisong special is its commitment to sustainability. The park runs on solar power, with panels generating all its electricity. May EV charging stations, rainwater collection, at strict no single-use plastic policy. Pati CR, wow. Heated seats, automatic flush, at super linis.
Tour ko kayo sa Japanese CR nila. Ang ganda. Tapos yung Pero doro nila yung mga features.
Maraming nagsasabi, worth it daw kahit medyo pricey ang 500 piso entrance. Kasi hindi lang siya park, it's an experience. Sa bandang baba pa ay makikita mo ang event area nila, which is may mga sikat na celebrities and artists na nagpe-perform. Meron din silang bridge walkway na sobrang Instagrammable. Ang lights nila sa gabi ay sobrang ganda din. Friendly staff, relaxing atmosphere, and a place that truly respects nature. Ang daming pwedeng balik-balikan, lalo na kung gusto mo ng peace and quiet away from the city.
Okay lang.
Punta na kami, thank you bro, salamat.
Dito daw yung pregnant ko.
Hoy, dito ka daw.
Aliw tayo.
Ito, papasundo na kami pataas. Yeah. So, eto, nagpasundo na kami sa electric vehicle nila paakyat. Kahilo pag ano pag nakatalikod
So that was our day at Mount Camisong Forest Park, a place that proves nature and progress can exist together. If you're looking for a peaceful, world-class destination near Baguio, this is it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, sometimes the best adventures aren't far away. They're just hidden in the clouds.